Welcome back to Spencer Lawn Care. In today's video, you're going to see us battle the biggest snowstorm we've had in recent history. Hope you enjoy. Alright guys, Steven's going to go do the school. I'm going to go knock off the doctor's office, and we'll probably both meet over at the church whenever we're done. We'll see where we're at. Savannah's getting a quick workout in. She's on 75 hard, so she needs to get her outside workout in. So she's actually, since we got Ambiflex cleared off, she's going to walk the parking lot there and yeah, get her workout in. So we'll continue moving along here, and this is a good one, boys. This is going to be this is a good one. This is a real good one. We're getting it here in Ohio for sure. I do want to take a moment here to say our thoughts and prayers go out to the over 100 families as of now that have lost their loved ones around the country from this storm. It was literally going on as we were taking these videos that people were losing their lives, unfortunately. So just wanted to take a moment here and say that we're thinking of you, and our thoughts and prayers go out to each and every one of you that have lost someone during this storm here. This event was once in a lifetime event. We haven't had a storm like this in quite some time. The closest I would say was probably back in 2022 when we had two pretty good blizzards back to back. But this one here, with all of the ice that came down in certain parts of the country, it really did impact a lot of people very negatively. All right guys, just got back here. They're on plow number 2. We've been letting it build up 5-6 inches at a time. It is. I think we might end up with more than what they were predicting. We're gonna run out of space to put snow. I mean, we already got it packed back there. Whew. guys, I'm literally trying to plow at least a foot off these walkways. I really wanted to test the multi-force just to see what this old girl could do. And I'll tell you what, it beats shoveling it all day long. All right, guys. I'll park it, start plowing with the truck for a bit, take a break from that. Won't need it again in a while. I need a break myself. Get a drink. The heated mask works phenomenal. My head is toasty. My hands were decent with these. Alright guys, just got done opening up the gas station again. I thought these were pretty cool. I've never seen them before for backing in trucks. I've never backed in truck, but I mean, pretty cool technology. They got like just laser beams that help the truck drivers line up. Thought that was pretty darn sweet. Anyways, getting this baby completely opened back up. And yeah, the truck drivers are able to get in here and fill up. Alright guys, filling the GMC up. Went through almost a full tank. Took about 12 hours. All right, this one, man, it got some wind drifts on it. I just plowed, I'm not kidding you guys, probably through 2 foot of snow, and it was not easy to get through. All right, guys, storm is finally coming to an end here, so we're gonna do our final cleanup. I think we plowed this one 4 times, so yeah, it's been one heck of an event. Yeah, Steven up front working it out. We are clean out of room right now. Like, we have no space left that wouldn't obstruct the company from getting their jobs done. TQ said, I'm gonna put the blue lights on to fool everybody, make them think Sean's in there. If you can't tell, This thing is a sheet of ice right now, but we're gonna change all that with some salt here in a little while. Throw some clear lane on here. She is shiny. Those XK glow lights were a great deal. I know some people are commenting saying, oh, once the snow packs up in there, you won't be able to see them. We have not had an issue. The snow barely even sticks to them whatsoever. We got this one going in the right direction. The storm's pretty much over. We got salt down. We have got some mountains. The video is not going to do these snow piles justice, I'm telling you right now. They make this truck look like a baby, and we got them everywhere. Anyways, Steven, I just got done with the gas station plowing it out. Steven's salting it real quick, and he's gonna go in for the night, and then Savannah and I are gonna continue. They have not been able to touch the roads. TQ is literally plowing snow all the way up. Like the plow's all the way up, and she's pushing snow off the road just to get to our property. Like, this is crazy. It's like nobody's been out at all. Look at the snow flying off the side of the plow. There's easily 2 feet of snow on this thing. Wow. Careful, TQ, careful. Jeez Louise, this is a lot of snow. I haven't seen it like this in a long time. Oh, right. So Steven had to plow quite a bit earlier just to be able to get salt. And yeah, now we got to get this lot cleaned up a bit here real quick, just so Steven can even get his car out. So he's down here all the way at the bottom. Alright, so got a good enough spot there. I was glad Steven was able to get out. He's got to get home. He's got to work bright and early in the morning for his full-time job. So we appreciate Steven coming out and working all day with us. Got a lot of work done. So TQ and myself, though, are going to continue on to finish what we got to do.